The world of restomods has exploded in recent years, with builders from across the globe breathing new life into some of the most iconic vehicles ever created. Among the most admired and respected players in this field is Theon Design, a UK-based company known for its meticulous approach to reimagining the Porsche 911. Their latest commission, the result of over 18 months of craftsmanship and engineering dedication, stands as one of the most remarkable creations in their growing portfolio. This stunning build not only celebrates the timeless lines of the air-cooled Porsche 911, but also injects it with modern performance, advanced engineering, and a level of detail that leaves enthusiasts in awe. At the heart of this masterpiece lies a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, air-cooled and roaring with a soul that every Porsche purist dreams of. This power plant develops an impressive 407 horsepower at 7,600 RPM and 293 pound-feet of torque, numbers that make it every bit the high-performance machine. Though it falls short of the 4.0-liter GT3 engine in sheer horsepower, Theon's creation has one undeniable advantage: weight. Dipping the scales at just 1,150 kilograms, a staggering 312 kilograms lighter than the GT3, this Restomod delivers a driving experience that is raw, visceral, and intoxicating. The lightweight nature combined with precise engineering ensures that every twist of the road is met with confidence and excitement. Performance doesn't end with the engine. Theon Design has carefully curated every element to ensure this car is as usable as it is thrilling. The adjustable exhaust system allows the car to whisper quietly through towns or unleash an aggressive roar on open roads. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 5-speed manual transmission, a deliberate nod to driving purists who value connection over convenience. Meanwhile, a tractive, semi-active suspension system allows the 911 to handle the notoriously rough UK roads with grace, while a built-in lift kit ensures steep driveways and speed bumps pose no issue. Braking power is handled by a system borrowed from the iconic 993 generation Carrera RS, ensuring precision and control even under hard driving. Complementing the mechanical upgrades are custom 18-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires, completing the balance between heritage looks and contemporary performance. Visually, Theon Design's Restomod is as breathtaking as its engineering. Stripped back to bare metal, the donor car's chassis has been strengthened with meticulous seam welding. Lightweight carbon fiber panels now form the body, coated in a gorgeous ice green metallic paint that nods to Porsche's historic palette. Polished Eclipse chrome accents add an extra layer of sophistication, reminding the world that this is as much a piece of art as it is a machine. The interior continues the theme of blending classic elegance with modern craftsmanship. Recaro CS seats with carbon fiber backs, gray Alcantara trim, custom-made gauges, and a discreet Alpine head unit connected to 6 focal speakers make the cabin a place of luxury and purpose. Every detail is carefully considered, ensuring this 911 feels like a one-of-a-kind creation tailored to its owner's desires. Of course, exclusivity and perfection come at a cost. Theon Design's commissions begin at £420,000, or roughly $564,000, not including the donor car. While the price tag places it firmly in the realm of the wealthy few, the result is undeniable proof that money can indeed buy happiness. At least if your dream car happens to be a flawless blend of classic Porsche soul and modern performance refinement.